Okay, so this news is about our country. Philippines on red alert as Typhoon Noru roars in. Authorities in the Philippines were on high alert as Super Typhoon Noru began to blast through the country's eastern island on the path toward its main Luzon island. The eye wall of the storm, locally known as the Philippine as Super Typhoon Garding, was making landfall in the Balila Island, according to an update from the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration. The storm has sustained winds of 240 kilometers per hour with gusts up to 295, according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Authorities previously issued an extreme emergency alert as the storm reached super typhoon status morning local time after suddenly intensifying. The highest emergency preparedness and response protocol has been activated in Metro Manila, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, and Bicol region, said the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. Okay, so news 2. North Korea fires ballistic missile into water off east coast of Korean Peninsula. North Korea has fired a ballistic missile into the waters off the east coast of the Korean Peninsula, according to officials, both South Korea and Japan. The short-range missile was fired early from the Taichung area of North Pyongan province. It said the South Korean and U.S. militaries are maintaining full readiness, posture, and closely cooperating following the launch, which it described as a significant provocative action that harms peace and safety of the Korean Peninsula as well as the international community. The JCS said the launch was clear violation. This is the 19th missile launch this year, according to CNN. The last was in August 17. The missile had a flight distance of about 600 kilometers, altitude of 60 kilometers, and speed about Mach 5, according to the JCS intelligence agencies of South Korea. So North Korea is believed to have launched at least one missile at around 6:52 a.m. local time in Japan or 5:52 p.m. Eastern time. Amanda. He added it fell near the eastern coast of North Korea outside of Japan's exclusive economic zone.